This is Richie's Radio Room.
Here it is. Well, the packaging has seen better days. I'm not even going to open it out the way you're supposed to. All right, anything in here? Keep this for a little bit anyway, until we put it through the paces. I'll be darned. These aren't as cheap, the ends here, as I thought they were. Yeah, this is not bad. 48 watts of raw power here. Yeah, so the tips don't look that bad. Oh, and the housing is good too. It's better than my other one. I could go look for it, but I'm not going to. Anywho, I saved the tips off the old ones. So they had tips like this, and I was thinking maybe a feller could just go ahead and replace these. Actually, let's take a look at the innards. So those are definitely longer. Oh yeah. That's not going to work, is it? But yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised that these aren't as thin as they looked. And another thing be nice is that these will hold the heat better. Alright, so we're supposed to have 48 watts. Let's take a look-see. We're at 266 now. What'd you like to see? Don't look at my bench. Is it getting hot? I don't smell anything. Oh, it's getting hot. Honk, honk. 409, 410, we're dropping now. Okay, our amps just became stable at 0220. What do we get for? You Celsius people. This is low melt. It's just clumping up on that one side. And that's low melt solder, as forementioned. So this one tinned a little bit. Yeah, it's like this side isn't very warm, very hot. Oh, great. I mean, not really. Yeah, one side is not working. Nope. Not hot at all. Son of a beaver.
So after checking all of the wiring, come to find out that it was just the ceramic element itself that was bad.
So there you have it, the Miyako USA 74B20. Try that again. 74B402 is kaput. Kaput, I tell you. So now we contact Amazon, and they're going to say, you sure? You sure it don't work? And that, ladies and gentlemen, I better let that cool down, is why I do an unboxing and test. And this one's been all the way through, although if I ever do post this, it was not meant to be posted. But if I ever do, it'll be a lot of cuts because you don't need to hear me singing my stupid songs. You'll probably get some more of that later. But anyway, thanks for watching.
This has been a Fat Ham production.